All right, so as a reminder, your goals are still due if you haven't turned them in. You need your ALEKS work each week, okay? Topics learned in ALEKS will be for a quiz grade each week. Yes. Each topic you learn, each topic that you learn each week is worth 10 points. All right, so if you learn 10 topics, you get 100. 7 topics is a 70. I can't go over 100 unless we have some special arrangement. All right? And your quiz is Thursday. All right, so today we're going to be solving more equations. They're just going to look a little bit different than they did yesterday, but it should be stuff that you've done in the past. So we're going to solve each equation. And first example is going to look like an x minus 7 over 3 equal to negative 12. All right, when you see this, we got to get rid of what's in this denominator first. So the technique we're going to use to eliminate the 3 in the denominator is to multiply each side by whatever's in the denominator. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3. What that does is it allows these two to cancel out. And now the only thing left on the left-hand side is the x minus 7, so it falls down. So we got x minus 7 equal to negative 36. And now we simply just add 7 to each side. And we get an x that's equal to negative 36 plus 7 is negative 29. Now, when you're solving for a variable, you can always check your answer. And you check your answer by going back to the original problem, which was x minus 7 over 3 equals negative 12, and substitute the negative 29. So if we rewrite this as negative 29 minus 7 equals negative 12, I'm sorry, the negative 29 minus 7 needs to be divided by 3 equals negative 12. And we complete this numerator. Negative 27 minus 7 is negative 36 over 3 equal to negative 12. And negative 36 divided by 3 equals negative 12. So this solution works, which means this x equals negative 29 is correct. Make sure you're getting in the habit of checking your answer. If you check your answer and it doesn't equal, and you can't find what you did wrong, then come see me and I'll find out what you did wrong. Okay? So let's look at 6. 6 is equal to x minus 2 over 4. In this case, we're going to multiply both sides by 4. The 4 times 6 is 24. And it's equal to, on the right-hand side, these two 4's cancel. So the only thing left is the x minus 2. And then you can add 2 to each side. So 26 is equal to x. And then we're going to check that. So is 6 equal to x minus 26 over 4? I wrote that completely wrong. Is 6 equal to 26 minus 2 over 4? Well, is 6 equal to 26 minus 2 is 24. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. And 6 equals 6. So that checks, which means this is correct. You're substituting your solution back into the original equation where the variable is. Y minus 1 over 4 equal to negative 2. What's the first step here? Very good. Multiply both sides by 4. These 4's cancel. Our y minus 1 is equal to negative 8. Add 1 to each side. And y is equal to negative 7. Take that, go back to the original equation. Is negative 7 minus 1 divided by 4 equal to negative 2? Well, negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8. So does negative 8 divided by 4 equal negative 2? It does. So this solution is correct. Questions? All right, got a few more for you to look at. M divided by 7 minus 3 equal to 6. All right, so this looks a little bit different than the previous problems. In this case, we've got division and subtraction, so we got to take care of the subtraction first. So we're going to add 3 to each side. And our m over 7 is equal to 9. Multiply each side by 7. The 7's cancel, and the m is equal to 63. Rewrite the original equation with the 63 and for the m. We get 63 over 7 minus 3, and does that equal 6? Well, 63 divided by 7 is 9, so does 9 minus 3 equal 6? Yes, it does. So this equation, this solution, is correct. All right, anybody have any questions? That's all we're doing today, not much different. Study guide tomorrow, quiz on Thursday, and you've got your Alex app topics learned to work on in any spare time that you have.
We're doing Alex right now.
Your practice for today is going to be on page 91 again, that same page as yesterday, and I'll post it back up here. But today the problems that you're going to do are 26 through 33. After you complete that, check focus for an EA. And if you get that done before the period ends, I'm going to post it here and very shortly, so it'll be there before you leave. You can work in the Alex app. Go ahead.
Do you know which book they had set for the use for